Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Honolulu Cookie Company. Oh yeah. Ooh, look at that. Hey, Mike Foster here. Today I'm gonna try these Honolulu cookies from the Honolulu Cookie Company right here in Maui. They make them, well, right here in Hawaii they make them. And I mean, look at this. My mother-in-law loves these, and well, let's see what they taste like. Let me get this guy going. Alright, this is a tough job, someone has to do it. Shaped like little pineapples. Oh. Oh man. That's a lemony cream. Oh. And the cookie itself is sweet, sugary. Oh. It's got a great taste to it. I can't stop stuffing my face. I got about 6 inches of rain last night. Lost electricity for a few hours. But it's still no better place to be than Maui, eating Honolulu cookies, and I taste macadamia nut. Oh, that's good. These are shortbread cookies. If you can, try these. The Honolulu Cookie Company. Mike tries. Good stuff. Be them the dry stuff that I'm not gonna like, but this is really good. I know you can get these online, but guess what? Come to Hawaii and get them yourself. For more videos like this, check out my website, Live Life 365, and try things all about life. And check out my YouTube channel by the same name. Until next time, aloha, peace.
Live life 365.